In primetime news this evening, Prime Minister announces tougher COVID measures. What pandemic? Wild holiday parties raise questions about COVID protocols, but promoters are defending their events. Still climbing. Health experts want more COVID testing as holiday parties may push COVID surge to crisis level.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how can the nation honor our athletes who recently participated in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.